Question 3 says Sally invests $1,500 at 3% per year, simple interest. Work out the total value of her investment at the end of the 6 years. So the first step is we will do 3% of 1,500. Many ways to do this. The easier way is the percent will cancel these two zeros, so we'll just do 3 times 15, which is 45. And then since it's 6 years, so we'll do 45 times 6. Now 6 times 5 is 30, so 0 and 3 up there, and then 6 times 4 is 24, plus 3 is 27. What's that? This number is the profit she will get after 6 years. If they ask you to find the profit, it's just 270. But the question asks you the total value. So the total is 1,500, the amount she invested plus the profit she gets. So it's going to be 0,771. So at the end of the 6 years, she will have $1,770. That's a nice question. Let's look at question 4. Question 4 says work out these fractions. This now includes order of operation.